Hello and welcome to Quick Learn Photography, straight to the point videos that teach you everything that I've learned in over the last 10 years of professional photography. My name's James, and in this one we're going to start talking about lighting. We're going to get right to the basics, okay? Lighting and how to light subjects. And the first tool that you can use to add to your lighting doesn't cost a lot. It doesn't have to be all this sort of gear here, which I'm going to get onto soon. The first tool is the simple reflector. Okay, they fold up really small like that. You can put it in a sleeve and they pop out, ping you in the face. And also you can have just the white thingy there like that, and also you can have gold, but they come in all weird and wonderful colors. But what we're going to stick to is this silver reflector, which most of them come into. So if you're using natural light to start off with, a really good way to do portraits is using window light. So see that light hitting me there? That's purely from the window, nothing else. It's a nice overcast day today, so there's no harsh sunlight coming through. So I've got this window light hitting me, which is great, and you can see it falling off here, which is really, really nice. So just to demonstrate what this thing can do, so if I tilt it, there you go. See the side of my face? It's just like a mirror. It's reflecting that light back on here, and just, you can see, if I move it around, you can see what it's doing. I can see myself in the screen there. So yeah, it just fills the light. It's a really handy thing to use, just to fill the shadows a little bit like that. Okay, simple reflector. Underneath as well, if you look at my neck, there it's lit up. If I tilt it away, there's a bit of shadow. You can just see what the light's doing. That's it. That is it. Now there's a gold side to this as well. If you want to reflect like a gold reflection, we're not going to worry about that. And there's just pure white as well, which comes in handy as well if this is too bright. Say that was really hard sunlight hitting me there. This would be too much. It'd be like, wow, like too much. So you might want to take it off and just use the white like that. This has another purpose as well when we start using studio lights, which I'm going to get onto later. It can help with diffusion. I'll zip this down even more. So yeah, you can shoot through like that. So that's a softer reflector if I was being hit by hard sunlight at the moment. So get yourself one of these. They're really, really cheap. You can get massive ones as well if you want. I've got huge ones, but this fits in my bag, and you can pop it down really, really small. It goes in like a little pouch. But yeah, start using a reflector. This is the first tool to add light, okay? So using natural light, window light, and then you can bump it with a reflector. You can put it on a stand as well. That's what that thing there is. That holds the reflector. I'm going to put that on in a minute. Now another thing you can use these for is, see these lights here, when we get onto studio lights or off-camera flash, which is really, really good thing to learn. Definitely, that's going to be further along in these videos, or whatever type of light you use. If it's like that, you can have one of these nearby, and it does the same thing. Just like the window light, it will use some of the light from the studio lights and reflect it sideways. So sometimes from portraits, you can just have your main light like that one there, and then one of these this side like that, and some of that light will hit that and bounce back on the subject and just fill in a bit of the shadows there, okay? And you can just move it further away according to how bright you want the reflection. So that's a really simple, straight to the point video. Let's have a look with the trusty model, and we'll use some really good window light and just show you one more time. So I'm going to demonstrate using a reflector with window light. So here's a big window here, and it's a nice overcast day, and we've got our subject here. So that's an okay portrait if you want that kind of look with the lighting. But if you want it to fill the sides, let's put the reflector there, and you can see what that does. Okay, so if that was on a stand, just moving it around, you can see the effect of the reflector. So if I drop it down and put it up, so you can see the effect there. It really lifts the shadows really, really well. You can go underneath as well, whatever you want to do, angled stuff, and just fill the gaps a little bit. The further away, so let's get it there, the further away the reflector goes, the less the impact it has and the closer, as you can see. So reflectors are so handy just for using window light. Okay, so I hope that helped. Get yourself one of these. Watch you don't take your face off with it when you open them, and yeah, start playing around with a reflector. It's a very overlooked tool, but they're really useful, and they fold down easy and you can keep them in your camera bag. So I hope that video helps. Now, if you want any more coaching at all, one-to-one with me, I'm offering one-to-one coaching on Zoom now. So if you want to learn any more techniques, or you're struggling with anything to do with photography, if I can help, let me know, and we'll book a call and sort something out. So details are down below about one-to-one coaching. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helped.